Adab everyone, welcome to the third lesson of our Urdu language learning series. Urdu as a language is meant for poetry, and why not? The language lends itself beautifully to the desires and whims that poetry demands. In fact, Bollywood owes much of its rich lyrical history to Urdu. Indeed, innumerable Bollywood songs right from the 50s bear a shining testimony to Urdu, the language that was profusely used by lyricists in that era. Because back then, lyricists were poet first and lyricist second. Still, the greatest of Urdu poets came much before that, and the body of work left behind them speaks volume. In the previous lesson, we had learnt about these four letters, and in today's lesson, we will learn about these three. So let's get started. The 11th letter of the Urdu alphabet is Dal. It has a soft D sound. Then it's Dal. It has a hard D sound. The 13th letter is Zal. It has a Za sound. Dal and Zal are non-connecting letters, which means they do not join with the letters that come after them in a given word. This is their initial form, and this is their median as well as final position form. Now let's learn some words. Badi hai dal, had. Limit or extent. Be dal, bad. Bad or evil. Be alif dal, bad. Breeze. Dal alif dal, dad. Justice or praise. Alif dal alif, ada. Grace or payment of a debt. Jeem pesh, dal alif, juda. Peculiar or different. Dal zir be alif, dibba. Box. Alif dal alif, adda. Common meeting area. Alif dal be, adab. Respect or literature. Alif mad, dal alif be, adab. Salutations or etiquette. Khe pesh, dal alif, khuda. God. Zal alif te, zat. Race or personality. Alif mad be alif dal, abad. Populated. Dal alif dada. Paternal grandfather. Jeem zal be alif te, jazbat. Feelings or emotions. Jeem zal be, jazb. To absorb. Te zir dal alif, tidda. Cricket. Te alif dal, tadad. Measure or amount. Alif be te dal alif, ibtida. Beginning. Alif te badi hai, alif dal, ittihad. union. In the next lesson, we will learn about these letters. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.